Good morning, friends. Today we are going to see one of the useful tip of the Excel. So my problem statement is that I need to create multiple Excel sheets with the name of city. So if you see, I have the data for every city. I have to create a separate Excel sheet in a workbook. So what I will do, I'll copy the city name, click on new sheet, right click, rename, paste the city name, and I will follow the same procedure for rest of the cities. Right now we are doing only for 13 city, so it is not so difficult. But let's assume you have 100 number of line item and you have to create an Excel sheet for every line item. With this approach, it is very time consuming also and repetitive task also. So I'll share with you a tip that will reduce your efforts. So what we have to do? We have to select the data, insert, pivot table in a new worksheet, and click on new. It will create a blank pivot. I will drag the column name in filters, and in pivot table analyze there is an option of pivot table. I'll just open that option. There is another option in that. Open, click on show report filter pages. Once I click here, it will ask me the column name. I'll click OK, and if you see, for every city there is a separate sheet has been created. So it does not require any macro or any other programming language to create a separate sheet. For this kind of tips, please follow our channel, subscribe it, share with your friends, and if it is helping you, like the video. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care.